Stormer Euro is a robust shelving system, ideal for use as single bays or multi-tiered structures. Shelves measure 300 to 450 mm deep, taking up to 160 kg, and kits include bracing or cladding if necessary. They are assembled using an easy clip-together system, and bays can be open or fully clad with extra shelf packs. Extra braces and fixings are available for top-heavy or extra-long runs of shelving. Stormer Euro is protected by BioCoat, which inhibits dangerous bacteria like MRSA and E. coli, ideal for hygiene-sensitive areas. Shelving accessories include steel dividers, full height, part height. These can be fitted on top or underneath shelves. Plastic pull-out drawer units, steel bin fronts, and steel floor trims. The steel full-height general-purpose divider has a return front and back to increase strength for storing items that will lean against the divider. There are top and bottom location legs. The top legs are longer. This is important when fitting the full-height steel divider. Remember, long legs up and short legs down. Locate the long legs into the slots in the bottom of the top shelf. Swing the divider to vertical and locate the short legs in the slots in the top of the bottom shelf. The part height divider has 4 small tags on the bottom flange. These locate into the slots in the top of the shelf or the slots in the bottom of the shelf. When the tags are in the slots, slide the divider along the shelf to locate into position. The plastic drawer units have a stop at the back of the drawer to prevent them accidentally coming off the shelf. They will also cantilever out while open. To completely remove a drawer, simply pull the drawer out and then lift the front of the drawer until the stops at the back clear the shelf above. Internal plastic drawer dividers are also available. These fit into slots along the length of the drawer. Euro bin fronts. The steel bin fronts prevent items falling off the front of the shelf. They fit under the shelf and on top of the shelf clips. They are retained with 2 metal twist clips, one at each end of the bin front. Euro floor trims. The steel floor trims prevent anything dropped onto the floor going under the bottom shelf. This is good for stock control, hygiene, and it improves the general look and feel of the storage area. The floor trim sits on top of the shelf clips and is retained with 2 metal twist clips, one at each end of the floor trim. Fit these before lowering the shelf.